Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share some solid tips on how to get kills fast in rivals. So, let's dive in. Now, the biggest thing to know right away is that getting kills isn't just about running in and swinging. It's about positioning, map awareness, and choosing the right weapons for your playstyle. So when you start a match, you don't just sprint straight into the thick of it. Instead, peek around corners and use cover to your advantage, so you're not the first target other players see. Staying unpredictable makes it way harder for enemies to lock onto you. Next up, you want to know your weapons. Some weapons are great for long-range picks, while others are perfect for close quarter fights. And if you're running a long-range weapon, try to find high ground or open sightlines where you can catch enemies before they see you. For close combat weapons, stay mobile, strafe, jump, and keep moving so your enemies can track you easily. Another pro tip is to always watch the minimap or scoreboard if the game has one. That tells you where the fights are happening and where players just died, which usually means there's loot nearby or another fight about to break out. Rotating toward action instead of running away from it gives you more opportunities to engage and score kills. And don't forget to rotate with your team if you're playing a team mode. Finally, don't be afraid to practice your aim. Even a little bit of time in practice lobbies or low stakes matches will sharply improve your reaction time and accuracy, and that directly translates into more kills. Now, the more you play and master your movement, the quicker those kills will come. And that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!